Jason checking in, back at it. As you guys know from my last video with the Traxxas XRT 6S. Well, wire came off a motor, so won't be able to get back today. We're gonna fix that today. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna protect the can, you know, because you don't want to mess something up. Nothing serious is really needed for this, just some tape or whatever. Right? Try to isolate the leads. That way we're for sure knowing that we don't have any shorts, because you don't want any shorts. Alright, so we got everything off. We're gonna do some soldering. We're gonna use the existing lead. One important thing is to have ventilation. So I'm gonna turn on the filter. It's a little noisy. So everything's all isolated. Can is protected, you know, because we're gonna get nasty with it. Get this wire prepped. Just using a 45 watt solder iron from Home Depot. It's a Weller. Just work good in all my videos. Every solder video you see, that's what I use. This is the Weller. Alright, now we can prep the motor a little bit. Main thing is just getting that thing on there just right. I mean, that was kind of quick. Hopefully y'all saw that. We did it kind of quick. So now we have the wire on there. Now we're gonna clean it up some to make sure that thing is good. Looks good to me. Check out the other ones, see how they're doing. Probably get some more on there. Just for the hell of it. Why not? But the key to doing this is letting your iron heat up. Max temperature. Just let that thing heat up. That's all you need. So I think we might be alright now. Everything looks good. Very simple task. Alright, well, this concludes the video. Very easy. So catch y'all later. Peace.